Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, in today's video, I want to give you a long-term view on the markets. And I believe we're about to start one of the biggest bull markets in history is coming. And so I want to share that with you with what I see through there. And this is more of a bit of a larger view here, guys. And I want to focus on the gold, silver, and also the GDX and GDXJ. In fact, you know what? Gold, I'll just quickly cover gold right now. Gold on the weekly chart, guys, has continued to be very strong to the upside. I see a lot more growth long-term happening when it comes to gold. I truly believe we're probably likely to make all-time new highs. Where is that over here? So this level through here, which is that sort of 1900 level, I believe we're going to make an all-time new high over the next couple of years. We're going to get our pullbacks and all that sort of stuff, just like you see how the markets do, but we're going to get that, I believe. Moving on through to the GDX, we're looking at a weekly chart here. Look at this massive move that we've had to the upside, right? Just a massive move. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we started to see a bit of a reversal sort of come into play. But after that, I see us getting at least to the, where is that? At least to the sort of the $40 level there. But I think this is just this is the start, I believe, of a big massive bull market in GDX. And what happens, guys, in big bull markets, we're going to get something like this, you know, and stuff like that as well too. Okay, so this actually could be 2 or 3 months of a pullback, right? So just be prepared for that. Don't ever think we're going to keep going up, because that never happens. And the same for the GDXJ, but the GDXJ, this one here is the one that I'm truly more excited about than any other. This GDXJ and also the silver, the one that I'm really excited about, because we've actually been down here for a long. Look at all this here. Not much going on at all. Not much going on at all. And so this is getting ready to break. And I truly believe GDX is going to be one of those fireworks types of moves over the next 2 to 5 year type of deal. I'm just hoping that I can get into the GDXJ, and I can get a really nice bullish setup with this here. But as you can see, right, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pretty much 7 years worth of not doing much. This is the calm. Ever heard this is the calm? And then I believe this is the storm that is likely to happen. Again, that move there is probably likely to be a good 2 or 5 years, and we're probably likely to do something like this overall, just like gold does, just like all the markets do. Okay, guys, but GDXJ to me is, we haven't broken out yet, but once we do, massive bottoming pattern through here. And so I do see this thing, especially this whole down the bottom here, it's just been absolutely just massive to the downside. So I really would like to see a pullback here. I'd like to see a pullback for maybe a couple of months and then give me a breakaway. That would be absolutely perfect for me to have a trade for at least 12 months to the upside of a really nice setup. And that's the same for silver as well too, right? Silver, to me, I believe silver has made its final low for many years to come. And I believe we're starting that already. This rally, I've always had a target of 1850, and that's where my first target is. We're probably likely to get a bit of a rejection point there. Once we break the 1850, it's probably on its way up to 24. But overall, I see silver probably making an all-time new high once this thing starts to get once this thing starts to move. Again, that could happen in 12 months, or that could happen in 4 years. You know what I mean? You just never know. I just know if right now we're 2020, right? If I'm looking at myself looking at 2025 and I'm looking back over that time, I don't know exactly when, but I'm a big firm believer in. But if I'm looking at where I am right now, okay, 2025, and I'm looking back over the last 5 years, I'm like, okay, look hindsight, right? If there was big trends that was likely to happen, what were they? What were the things that made really big moves overall, either up or down? And for me, it's 2 markets that really scream out to me right now. Now, there's going to be individual stocks that do really well as well too. But there's 2 markets that scream that, you know, massive bull market is coming. And that is silver. Once that thing starts to really pick up, again, looking back over 5 years, you know what I mean? Like, this is 2025. Looking back at the last 5 years, what would have happened? Now, that may happen next year in 2021. We make massive moves in GDXJ and also silver. They may happen in 2023. You know what I mean? Like, we never know. It may not do much for the next couple of years, but then suddenly 2023 is the year of the massive bull market. That's what I'm saying, right? If you have a look at a time frame like that, looking back, that's what I say, looking over that time. It's always hard to say, okay, when this is definitely going to happen, because you never know. But again, if I'm using my, okay, position myself, where am I currently right now? Where am I currently right now in 2025, and looking back, how can I benefit of the moves that are likely to happen, and stuff like that. So some of the big massive moves, that's what I see through there, guys, and that's what you should be doing anyway. You know what I mean? Like, look 5 years from now and try to say, okay, where is things likely to go from here, and be realistic about it. That's why I say, like, silver and GDXJ and all this other markets are probably going to make massive moves over the next 5 years. And the reason why I say over the next 5 years is because we never know that year it's going to absolutely just take off, right? It could be 2021. Heck, it could be, you know, we could be slowly making moves over the next couple of years, and then 2023 is the year of the massive things just absolutely just explode, because maybe things are happening, or maybe it's 2020, you know, maybe it's 2022, sometime throughout 2022. Maybe there's a new world currency. Maybe there's a new world power. China takes over. Maybe something happens like that, and it causes these other stocks to just go absolutely ballistic. So that's the reason why I say, guys, the biggest bull market in history is coming, and that's where I believe GDXJ and silver are those things that, again, looking back over 5 years from 2025, and I believe they are the two markets that are likely to make massive, massive, massive moves. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.